interesting scenario. They already had some stuff moved around and kind of placed in odd spots, flipped sideways. So right now I'm just going to be vacuuming around everything and cleaning these areas, and then moving the items where they belong, and then cleaning the rest of it from there. So right now, that love seat is actually going to be going where these two little end tables are. So I'll be coming back and moving these. Carpet needs some TLC. Not a whole lot of carpet, but considering the situation, I wouldn't be surprised if I'm here for at least 3.5 hours to get it taken care of properly. this is an interesting setup at the moment, the way they have the furniture. So I'm just doing all the open areas, and then I'll move this stuff. I'll have to cut the video at that point, unfortunately. Move the couch with one hand. Carpet. vacuum cleaner. That's alright. Didn't see that, kind of blended in the carpet. Alright guys, that's it for now. Look at that filter just from this. It's about half full if you consider the top and the bottom portions. A little more than that. Holy smokes. Yeah, see, this is why I pre-vac carpets before professionally cleaning them. Yikes. Can you imagine your carpet cleaner coming through and not pre-vacuuming? Ooh. That would be what he's pre-spraying on top of if he didn't vacuum. Yikes. Can you imagine trying to wetten that down and trying to get it out afterwards? This is why it's so important to pre-vac before you professionally clean somebody's carpet. Because, yeah, wetting all that down and trying to get it out afterwards would be hard work. And you probably won't. Because it's going to cling to the carpet a lot easier when it's wet than it would if it's still dry. So this is an interesting situation. As you can see, there's another room with beds, or a bed set up against the wall. Once I clean all these open areas, I'll be placing the bed back down for them because it's just a box spring and a regular mattress. So something that I can manage myself. It's just hard surface. No need to go in there. And then everything that I move, I'll be putting some tabs or blocks under, so that way when the carpet's still a little damp, don't have to worry about metal leaving rust, stains, and wood, if it has a finish on it, causing problems as well. So thank you so much for watching this video. Again, my name is Nolan with Black Diamond Services. I tried to do a little information and a little just vacuuming for this one, so that way for those who like to learn about the jobs I do, get some information on it, and for those who like to just see the vacuuming done, I know you guys are on my channel and I appreciate you all. The ones that are watching for both reasons and the ones that are watching for one or the other. Thank you. It means a lot to me. I'm trying to do some extra videos here and there for different things, so that way everybody can enjoy them that does. So my next one is probably going to be of rinsing the carpet, so you guys can see this one and how it changes. So thanks you so much again for watching. This is a pretty decent length one. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please thumbs up the video. Leave me a nice comment of what you thought was the best part of the video. And that way I can try and improve based on my subscribers' favorite things. And I will continue to do all different types if I can. And one day I will do actually some video where you see myself or somebody else working it instead of me putting you guys all in like first person view of me working the wand. Right now my phone is my best camera that I have. I'd love to get like a GoPro or something like that to attach somewhere, but right now it's just not in the cards. So with all your loving support, I will get there one day. So thank you again for supporting a local family-oriented business here, regardless of where you're from. It means a lot, you supporting a family business. My wife and I greatly appreciate it. And you know, thank you guys for getting me past 100 subscribers so far. Last time I checked, it was at 106, so I got like 6 or so more within the last day. So that's a nice increase for me. I have never had this many subscribers on a channel that I've done, so that means a lot to me. And I can't wait to get the next 100, the next and next after that, and make it to over 1,000 maybe one day. So if you're loving support, I think we can get there. So again, show me or in the comments what you guys like to see so we can start getting the subscribers up higher, because I want to make sure I'm doing video content that everybody enjoys, whether it's the educational stuff, the ASMR videos people enjoy, or anything else. CRB, vacuuming, wanding the carpet, upholstery, tile. One day when I get some more hardwood jobs in the pipeline, I'll try and do a video of that, of me cleaning some hardwood floors, so you guys can see that as well. It's always nice to see hardwood floors clean up nice. So thank you. Thank you, thank you. I can't say it enough. I really appreciate you guys. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.